Ebigambirwa ha mukoro gwo kusima beja bakozire kurunja hishomero rya Pearl Junior School mu Bushenyi aho buri mweja hirwe gari ya jia nk'akamanyiso ko kubarongora.
No gain without toil. Nutushaba konka ruhanga na hasara umuntu arukora. Wenu tarho okusinga wotayi tire umwana ukashoma n'amaani.
If you want to win a reading from the start, you must put in a lot of effort up to the end.
Omwaka gwahwire mvuzo by'ecyamushanja abejigana mukaga Harpar bakiziro mu idara ryo kubanza kandi abera na babiri biziro mu rya kabiri.
And I'm happy to tell you that we followed them this time around, and my first lot of candidates that I had here in 2018 recently received their results of senior 4. I am very glad to say they performed exceedingly well.
Nyenda kubahamiza ngo abana bitwa bazo mu secondary school zibarukuza mu mashomero bakoraje kurunja munongo.
Abeja bagiro mu kibina cya mushanje bahasirirwe kandi bashabwo kutomutoma ha mishomo yavo.
And I hope this P7 will pass very well. Next time you listen to your teachers, don't play in class, read your books, especially P7 candidates.
Our goal this year is to score all children in grade 1, that's 100%, but we're also looking at having our last candidate scoring aggregate 9.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Michael atwachire.